on the way, and we've got multiple impact weather days ahead. So here's the latest thinking as you plan out the rest of the week, the busy holiday travel before Thanksgiving, and of course after Thanksgiving, and that's what we're really watching out for. But today, don't overlook today. We've got fog in the morning, then a wind advisory will be in effect here in the metro. Gusts 40 up to 55 miles per hour. Temperatures will start to fall as we head through the afternoon. So changes on the way today. In terms of winter weather, it's looking more likely right now that we'll have the better snow chances from midday Friday into Saturday in the morning, possibly into the afternoon. So this is our best chance for accumulated snow, it looks like, far eastern Nebraska, southwest Iowa, and this is where we could see more of the travel impacts later in the day Friday and through the day on Saturday. Sunday now trending much colder. The snow chance now more in question as models trending a little bit drier, but we're still watching that. But plan on highs in the 20s by the end of the holiday weekend. Look at snow potential. This is Thanksgiving evening. Things fairly quiet. We go through this model Friday into Saturday morning, hinting at better chance for accumulation near and east of the Omaha metro, then a little bit more throughout the day on Saturday with the higher amounts more on the Iowa side. So again, later Friday through Saturday, that's looking like the better potential for accumulating snow and travel impacts. And this latest model doesn't add a whole lot more on Sunday. So heads up, after Thanksgiving, more likely going to see some travel impacts across the area. Today, things fairly quiet right now. Showers and snow up in the Dakotas. Cold front lurking out to the west, and as it moves through, that's going to kick up the wind. Right now, we've got the clouds and fog around for a good chunk of the area. You can see the lower clouds skirting the tops of the towers downtown Omaha right now. It feels nice. For November, it's 51 degrees. We see the dew point at 50. The air is saturated. The wind is light. So we've got a bit of fog around. Temperatures in the 40s and low 50s to start the day. We can see visibility down to 3 miles at Eppley, 0 visibility, Denison, Harlan, Creston, and also back toward Norfolk, Columbus, and York. So far eastern Nebraska, southwest Iowa. Watch out for the lower visibility during the morning drive. And then as the front comes through mid-morning, it's all about the wind. Wind advisory, the Omaha Metro, the I-80 corridor, gusts 50, 55 miles per hour possible. Could see those gusts up to 60 miles per hour at times out west into east central and central Nebraska. So a wicked crosswind for the I-80 corridor, especially as we go through the afternoon and evening. See the 12-hour forecast. Impacts this morning with the fog. The wind will start to pick up, but we'll really see it in the afternoon and evening. The highest wind gusts here in the metro as those temperatures continue to slip into the 40s. So again, I'd opt for the heavier jacket because later in the day, it's going to feel much colder. You can see storm predictor by noon. The front is already through. Temperatures in the 40s. The northwest winds ramping up. Clouds will move back in. Any precipitation likely stays north of us. Maybe a little bit of a brief shower, maybe a few snowflakes mixing in up toward Denison and Carroll. But you can see those temperatures continuing to drop by tomorrow morning, starting off in the 20s, feeling like the teens because the wind still going to be a bit breezy, but highs likely only in the mid to upper 30s for most on Wednesday. So we're quiet for Thanksgiving, still 30s, lighter wind, and then there's the impacts as we go Friday, Saturday, and possibly into Sunday as well. And look at by the end of that 7-day forecast, highs maybe only around 20 degrees, so big changes on the way as we head through the holidays.